Today is August 13th, and it is day 2 of the backside of the week, heading into, well, it's after 8 p.m., so technically it's day 3, Friday, Asian session. Anyways, I will show what the trades I took this week. There were a lot of trades. Thursday specifically, nice chart movement this week. Excellent. Oh my goodness. Let's get into it. So U30, we have the 10 a.m. reversal, right? So we're at the low of the session, 950. Of course, this is Renko once again. Renko does not go based off times, based off price movement. Regardless, so 950 we're at the low of the day. 9 a.m. made our high of session, high of day. We're at low of session. My fault, not the low of day. Come up, came down. I think it did another one. I thought, if I'm not mistaken, at the time, because it's 6 now, so I think it changed from earlier this morning, the volatility. Regardless, 10 o'clock came without blowing my free margin. This is 90% of my free margin, 300 pip stop. So I was just like, well, this is the lowest I can go. Well, like 280, but I mean, that would have been 100%, so 300. To the high of day at the time. The high of day was up here off the 8:30 news, I think. Had the spike. I forget. But high of day, high session was up here. So that's why that was the target. Another W bottom, 10 a.m. reversal. Then we had another 10 a.m. reversal for the high of day, breakdown, entry. You have our whole level, 54,000 flat until a little bit below. And that's it. Sold it to lower session, and some people had it to lower day, and that thing tanked. I know one person had this whole thing, but I just need this. And plus, as you see here, this trade, we go into 3 since this thing wants to be a low, whatever. Okay, it's showing a V bottom. It was a W at the time, just like the other chart just showed. It was a W. Go back to the 1. Yeah, so it was literally like this. This is how it was at the time. So of course, price has to break the middle area for me to get in. So at the time, it broke. It was here. It broke. Came up. I had a 250, and once again, my free margin was like, yeah, no. So I was like, okay, well, looks like I'm gonna use 90% of my margin with a 300 pip stop. And I just targeted. So we had our institutional level, our quarter level, 250, 53,750. It's in the area. Friday's low in the area. Low of week. Tuesday's low. Initial balance low. So you have 1, 2, 3. W bottom 4. Low of day is 5. And the target was Monday's closing price. And then of course you have another institutional level at 54,000 flat up here for a level to level. My target was this because I just wanted the 6 to 1. That's all I needed at the time. And it hit. 7:44 a.m. it said, around that. Price continued up as you saw earlier, obviously, for a level to level trade. Now, this one, W bottom. The market was extremely volatile. Now, it did not look like this at the time. It was 35 or 45 at the time. I forget if, yeah, I think it was either 35 or 45 at the time. I don't remember. So the chart did not look like this. It was terrible. It was so zoomed out. It was like this. It was like this. So there was no, like there was nothing. I can't get in this. So, and of course the thing messed up. That's one thing at Renko. This thing wants to violate. You switch time frames, bro. Let's see if I do this.
I found two already. Are you sure? I hear you. Oh, nice. I'm here.
Anyways, yeah, so it did not look like this. It was just extremely zoomed out. So I hopped in based on candlesticks. So I was fiending for a trade. So I ended up getting it up here. I wanted to get down here based on the candlestick. There was a pin hammer. The 9:45 candlestick, I think, or 10 o'clock, I forget. And actually, here we go. So we have a doji, I guess, 10:15, and then that's what caused me to place the buys up. I got violated, so it wasn't based on my W's and stuff, as you see on Renko. And then let me see. Those are those two. Let me see. Seems mad laggy. I need to get a new thing. I don't think there was any. Was there a trade on Tuesday? Oh, I remember this. I missed this. Oh my goodness. Once again, 10 a.m. A top, M top, break, entry, 2-3 break stop. Now these are super tiny, so I'd probably, let's see if you enter here. Stops here. Session low and end up hitting lower day. I completely missed this. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Nas now. This is just reverse head and shoulders I saw, and I was just like, oh, okay, let me target high session, high day. W bottom once again, quarter level 750 in the circle. Fridays, this is Friday's high, is the purple line. Friday's closing price. Tuesday's high. And the quarter whole level 30,000 flat, so institutional level to institutional level. 300 pip stop. I don't. Did I do another trade? Let me see.
dead. Yeah.
Okay, I did this trade because I just needed a 1.6 at the time on that day, so that was Tuesday, to finish one of my challenges. I just needed a 1.6 so that's why I did that. Entry should have been like right here, but I hesitated, so I ended up. But it hit TP regardless. It's crazy. If I went all the way, I got stopped. I don't know if there was a Monday trade. No. No Monday trade. Alright, so SP. SP hopped out in that trade. Another reverse head and shoulders, just like the Nas trade, so that's why I hopped out of this one. And then I hopped in the Nas one for reverse head and shoulders. This one, once again, a W. It was not 1.5, I don't think, at the time. So this was a bigger W, but yeah, it was 55 pip stop. You got a 3.5 brick stop. Institutional level up here, quarter level 750. We have a whole level right here with 78 flat. We got Friday's level right here. I think it was Friday's high. And let's see, I think it was an inside day. Yeah, it was inside day, and it was our first green day yesterday. So that was a signal day for today. For a breakout. Oh yeah, the reason for taking this trade, yeah, M top, A top for the sell, but it's out of session, of course. As you can see, it's 11. It's not in session. There might have been one trade or one more trade I did for the week. Okay, no, never mind. Oh, I forgot about this. Monday. There was a W bottom. It looked cleaner than this. I wanted this entry, but I hesitated so bad. It hit the core level 750. On the candlesticks, it'll show it. It's so easy. Like this. Oh my goodness. Anyone can do this. It's just a mental thing. It's not about the chart. It's just mental. That's it. And most people don't get over the mental part just because the greed and the I know everything, I know the chart's gonna do or something. It's not a repeatable setup that they're finding, as I'm showing you a repeatable setup. And what's the other thing? I think yeah, it's I mean, consistency. History will always repeat itself, so therefore the pattern will always repeat itself, which means the win will always repeat. Ah, man. That's it for the video. Great week in the market.